News coming in. Superstar Allu Arjun has reportedly been arrested over the theatre stampede case. He's being taken to the Chikkadapalli police station. In fact, we know that a mother and her son. Mother died. The son was critically injured. They were present in the theatre right outside when Allu Arjun arrived to watch that film, the premiere of his film Pushpa 2. Allu Arjun, who arrived with the star cast, the filmmakers, led to huge stampede, eventually leading to the death of a woman and her son being critically injured. There was a case that was filed against Allu Arjun, and here you have reports coming in that he's been arrested. He's going to be taken to the Chikkadapalli police station. This is big news. Allu Arjun arrested by the task force police. He was in fact he's right now being taken to a nearby police station based on the FIR that was filed against him. We know, of course, that complaint accused Allu Arjun of, in fact, instigating the kind... Those are the live visuals, what we're bringing for you here. Live visuals and images coming in of Allu Arjun. We're yet to establish if this is the moment before he was taken into custody. The task force police, we hear, have taken him into custody, and he is now going to be taken to a nearby police station and likely will receive bail. Now, that's again up to the police at this point, depending on his lawyers and the police. Allu Arjun, who's now been taken into custody by the task force police, will be taken to the Chikkadapalli police station in Andhra. There you have images there coming in of Allu Arjun there interacting with some of his team members. We're assuming those are team members there. Allu Arjun, who's now been there, you have it clear images of the police walking him in into a car, and he's going to be taken to the Chikkadapalli police station. This is a huge development coming in, undoubtedly something that Allu Arjun could not have escaped, considering there was an FIR filed against him. In fact, we know that he was accused of instigating crowds, in a way, having multiple people, a huge crowd there land up at the theatre because he was present, led to the stampede. That FIR blaming him for creating that stir. We have Akshita Nandagopal also joining us on this story. Akshita, Allu Arjun, we hear, has been taken into custody by the task force police. He's going to be taken to the nearby police station. And what next? Do we know any information on this?
So just to re-jog the memory of our viewers, Nabila, this is the case with regards to a screening that took place of Pushpa 2 in a Hyderabad theatre, in Sandhya Theatre, that led to the death of a 39-year-old woman. Allu Arjun and several of the makers of Pushpa 2 were in fact booked. Why? Because according to the police, they turned up for the screening without giving any sort of intimation that they would be there. So appropriate security measures couldn't be taken. The charges under which Allu Arjun and others were booked were culpable homicide, not amounting to murder. So that is the serious charge against Allu Arjun and the others who turned up there for the screening at Sandhya Theatre, leading to all of that chaos. Remember, just a few days ago, you had the superstar attempting to get relief, approaching the High Court, seeking that he be relieved from this case, not be named as an accused. But considering that since then we haven't seen any legal movement, the Telangana police has moved forward with the investigation and taken Allu Arjun into custody. The images that we have is from his residence, where you can see Allu Arjun outside with his family members. You can see his wife Sneha also there, and then he's being taken into custody. The reason he's being taken to the Chikkadapalli police station is that's where the case was registered. This is in the city of Hyderabad. A 39-year-old woman, remember, had died. She had gone with two of her kids, small children, her sons, to watch the screening, the first show of Pushpa 2 at Sandhya Theatre. She had died as a result of the stampede that broke out when Allu Arjun suddenly turned up there in this massive convoy. His fans went absolutely berserk, absolutely crazy. Now, soon after that, her sons were injured. She unfortunately passed away. Her family members pinned the blame on the makers, on Allu Arjun, for turning up there unannounced. And the police, based on that, have taken him into custody. Remember, 2-3 days after the incident, when there was so much outrage, you had a statement that came in, Nabila, from Allu Arjun. In that statement, while he condemned what happened, offered his condolences, and also said that any monetary financial help for the family will be provided, there was no apology. from Allu Arjun. Not a word of apology that came in that particular video statement that he put out. So there was a lot of outrage over the reaction also that came in from Allu Arjun and the others who've been booked in this particular case. But like I said, it's a very, very serious charge of culpable homicide, not amounting to murder, however. So that's the section that's been booked, that he's been booked in, as well as all the other accused. So this was inevitable unless he was going to get some legal relief, really.